Friends, it often happens that while talking to people, we say things that should be kept private. We often struggle to determine what to reveal and what to conceal. In such situations, we often end up telling others those things that should never be spoken about. Later, this brings us heavy losses, pain, and regret. So in today's story, I will share with you 9 such things that you should never reveal to others. If you understand them, then they can protect your peace, your respect, and your happiness. Stay with me till the end of this video because these 9 points can change the way you live your life. Once upon a time in a small hut in the mountains, there lived an old wise man. He had once been a famous psychologist in the city, but in his later years he left everything behind and chose a life of peace and silence. People still came from faraway towns to seek his guidance. One day a man came to see him. His eyes were filled with tears and his face showed deep sadness. He said, "Sir, I was once the richest man in my town. I had wealth, respect, and a happy family. But today I have nothing. My wife left me. My wealth is gone, and people laugh at me behind my back. I have lost all respect." The wise man listened carefully and then said, "My friend, you are suffering not just because you lost wealth, but because you never learned what to share and what to keep to yourself. So today I will teach you 9 such things that you should never share with others. If you follow them, you will regain peace and respect." Saying this, the wise man continued, and the man started listening carefully. Number 1. Never share your family matters with others. Some people share every little problem of their family life with their friends, neighbors, or relatives. They think they will get help, but in the end, they regret it. Outsiders may listen to your problems, but they will never truly solve them. Revealing family issues to others only increases misunderstandings and mistrust within the family. Small quarrels are common in every household, but they should remain inside the home. The matters between husband and wife should be private. They should never discuss their intimate relationships with others. If you discuss them outside, people may laugh behind your back, gossip about you, or give you wrong advice that creates more fights. Most people love to enjoy it like a drama. That's why the wise man says family matters should stay within the family. Solve them together, not with outsiders. Number 2, never share your secrets with anyone. Do not share your deep secrets with others. Today's friend may become tomorrow's enemy in the future, and the secrets you shared with them can be used against you. Speak only what is necessary, and you will find peace. If you had any love affairs before marriage, then don't disclose them to your spouse. Some people share it as a gesture of honesty, but later your spouse can criticize you, taunt you, or mentally torture you for your past relationships. Therefore, keep your secrets to yourself only. Number 3, your income and your wealth. Never tell others how much you earn or how much money you have. If your income is high, people will be jealous of you and may ask you to lend them money. And if you refuse to help them, they will criticize you. And if you give them money, they might not return it, thinking you have enough. If you are earning well, then be humble and don't show off your money too much to others. On the other hand, if your income is low and you tell others about it, people may take you lightly and insult you or make fun of you. They will not respect you or give you much importance. Even if your life partner does a lot of expenses, don't always reveal your exact income to them. But if your life partner is wise, then don't hide it from them. Otherwise, it can become a cause of quarrels in your house. Number 4, your past mistakes and plans. Everyone makes mistakes in their life, but speaking about your past mistakes to others can sometimes create a bad image in their mind. Those mistakes cannot be changed, so there is no use regretting them. Instead, people will laugh at you and lose trust in you, even if you have improved. Just learn from them and move forward and never repeat them. Don't remind people of them. The same goes for your plans. If you tell everyone your plans, then others' evil eye can affect them. And if you fail in your plan, then people will laugh at you. Your enemies may even create obstacles in your plan. Most plans that are announced beforehand usually fail. Number 5, insults and humiliations. If you have ever been humiliated or insulted in your life, then never tell anyone about it. If you do, your respect will decrease in their eyes, and they can also insult you or taunt you in the future if you are not on good terms with them. Everyone faces insults at some point in their life. If someone insults you, then deal with it in that moment, but do not go around telling everyone about it. People will not always sympathize with you. Instead, many will secretly enjoy your pain, and some may even insult you more. That's why the wise man always says, keep such matters in your heart, learn from them, and make sure they never happen again. Number 6, your weaknesses and strengths. Every person has some weaknesses and some strengths, but you should never share your weaknesses with anyone. If you do, people may take advantage of that weakness and harm you, and they can also use your weakness against you. At the same time, never boast about your strengths. If people know your strength, then they will try to find a way to tackle your strength and overcome it. One day they may even turn that strength into your weakness. That's why wise men say true power lies in silence. Others should never know where you are weak and where you are strong. Number 7, never share your negative thoughts and feelings. Thousands of thoughts arise in our minds every day. These thoughts can be of anger, jealousy, frustration, or hatred. If you keep telling others about your negative thoughts and feelings, people will begin to see you as a negative and bitter person. They will ignore you for your good qualities and remember you only for your complaints. In front of you, they can pretend to be sympathetic, but behind your back, they may make fun of your thoughts and feelings. That's why wise men always say, share only thoughts that bring light and positivity. The more you speak negative words, the darker your life becomes. Number 8, charity and good deeds. If you help someone, donate money, or do a good deed, then keep it a secret. If you announce it, then pride may arise in your heart, which can destroy the value of your charity. People may even think that you did it only for attention. That's why the wise man says true charity is blessed only when it is done in silence. The good you hide is more powerful than the good you show. Number 9, never reveal who your friends and enemies are. It is said that your enemy's enemy is your friend. If your enemies know about your other enemy, then they can join hands with them and harm you together. Similarly, if your enemy knows who your friends are, then they can befriend them and turn them against you. That's why the wise man always says, never tell anyone who your real friends and who your enemies are. Keeping it secret keeps you safe and strong. After explaining these 9 lessons, the wise man took a deep breath and said, remember, my friend, not everything in life should be shared. What you hide wisely will protect you, and what you reveal carelessly will harm you. The man bowed down in gratitude. He now understood that his downfall was not only because of it, but also because of his ignorance. He bowed to the wise man and started walking back to his house with new wisdom and a determination to build his life again. So friends, you have seen in this story, not everything in life should be shared with others. Silence is strength. Those who know when to speak and when to stay quiet live a life of peace, respect, and happiness. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you want to see more such videos, then don't forget to subscribe to this InspiraZen channel. I will see you in the next video with another inspiring story. Till then, stay blessed and take care.